Are you tired of subpar blenders that just can't handle your blending needs? Meet this Vitamix Propel 510 Propel Blender, your new go-to kitchen appliance for creating professional-grade smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts. Whether you're an experienced home chef or just starting your culinary journey, this blender offers versatility, power, and convenience that's hard to beat. Let's dive into the details of what makes this blender a game-changer for your kitchen. Why choose the Vitamix Propel 510? The Vitamix Propel 510 isn't just any blender. It's a professional-grade machine designed to take your blending experience to the next level. Its 48-ounce capacity is perfect for everything from individual servings to mid-size blends, giving you flexibility in the kitchen. Plus, with Vitamix's reputation for durability and performance, you can trust that this blender will last up to 10 times longer than the average blender. This longevity has been verified through a Vitamix study that compared Vitamix Ascent and Explorian series blenders against a select average blender model. This model comes with 3 preset programs: smoothie, hot soup, and frozen dessert. These settings are designed to take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring you get consistent, delicious results every time. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or whipping up a hearty soup for dinner, Propel 510 handles it all with ease. The heart of the Vitamix Propel 510 is its high-performance 2 HP motor, which is designed to break down even the toughest ingredients with ease. From fibrous vegetables to frozen fruits and ice, this motor ensures that every blend is smooth and consistent. You'll never have to deal with chunky smoothies or poorly blended soups again. But power isn't everything. Control is just as important. That's why the Propel 510 comes with 10 variable speeds that give you complete control over the texture of your blends. Whether you're looking for a smooth puree or a chunky salsa, you can adjust the speed to achieve the perfect consistency. Plus, the Pulse feature allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth blends, giving you the versatility to create heartier recipes like chunky pasta sauces and soups. Let's be honest, one of the worst parts of using a blender is cleaning it afterward, but with the Vitamix Propel 510, cleaning is a breeze. Simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and the blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. The container and lid are also dishwasher safe, so you have multiple options for easy cleanup. This easy cleaning feature is a huge time saver, especially if you're someone who uses their blender frequently. No more scrubbing or dealing with difficult-to-clean parts. Just a quick rinse or run through the dishwasher and you're ready for your next blend. When investing in a blender, durability and safety are top concerns. The Vitamix Propel 510 is made with BPA-free Eastman Tritan material, ensuring that your food stays safe and uncontaminated. This blender is built to withstand frequent use and is crafted from high-quality materials that ensure long-term durability. You won't have to worry about the container cracking or wearing down over time, even with heavy use. Vitamix blenders are known for their robust construction, and the Propel 510 is no exception. From the powerful motor to the sturdy 48-ounce container, this blender is designed to handle everything from daily smoothies to complex recipes without breaking down. One of the standout features of the Vitamix Propel 510 is its recipe versatility. With its professional-grade blending capabilities, you can create a wide range of recipes, from the smoothest smoothies to chunky salsas and hearty soups. 10 variable speed controls allow you to fine-tune your blends to your desired texture, ensuring perfect results every time. The smoothie, hot soup, and frozen dessert preset programs add an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to create these popular recipes with just the touch of a button. The Pulse feature is another great tool for adding texture to your recipe, making this blender perfect for everything from creamy purees to crunchy sauces. Whether you're making a quick morning smoothie or preparing a multi-course meal, the Vitamix Propel 510 can handle it all. Its versatility makes it a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and experiment in the kitchen. The 48-ounce container is perfect for small to mid-size blends, while the mini tamper helps you push ingredients down into the blades for smoother blending. The First Blends recipe booklet is a great resource for getting started with your new blender. offering a variety of recipes to try out. 48-ounce container of the Vitamix Propel 510 is the perfect size for small to mid-size blends. Whether you're making a single serving of a smoothie or preparing enough soup for the family, this container offers the right amount of capacity for most recipes. It's large enough to handle multiple servings, but not so big that it feels cumbersome to use for smaller blends. This size makes the Propel 510 a versatile option for any kitchen. Whether you're blending for one or for a group, this blender can handle it all with ease. And with the 2 HP motor, you can trust that it will deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. One of the biggest advantages of choosing a Vitamix blender is its durability. Vitamix blenders are known for lasting up to 10 times longer than the average blender, and the Propel 510 is no exception. Built with high-quality materials and a powerful motor, this blender is designed to withstand frequent use without breaking down. If you're someone who uses a blender regularly, whether for smoothies, soups, or other recipes, the Propel 510 is a great investment. You won't have to worry about it wearing out or losing power over time. Instead, you can enjoy years of reliable blending performance. Conclusion: the Vitamix Propel 510 Propel Blender is a powerful, versatile, and durable blender. It's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their blending game. With its high-performance motor, variable speed controls, and convenient preset programs, this blender makes it easy to create everything from smooth purees to chunky sauces and hearty soups. Whether you're an experienced home chef or just starting out, the Propel 510 is a valuable addition to your kitchen. It's built to last, easy to clean, and capable of handling a wide range of recipes. Plus, with Vitamix's reputation, quality, and performance, you can trust that this blender will serve you well for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your blending experience to the next level, the Vitamix Propel 510 is the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.